What is really going on in Sri Lanka? Is it safe to travel? Can you travel? My name is Sheneller.
And my name is Shehan.
And we are going to be cycling 1,700 kilometers around Sri Lanka to answer those three questions for you. I'm sure you've heard about Sri Lanka in the news lately. But here on this channel, we have always shown you the best that Sri Lanka has to offer. But you're wondering, how bad is it really? And will I be safe as a traveler in Sri Lanka? Things have got tough for those on the ground. But the people and the places remain unchanged. Resilient, innovative, beautiful, and forever welcoming. So over the next 30 days, we are going to be able to show you the real state of affairs on the ground here in Sri Lanka through a one-of-a-kind fundraising series which is going to help us to show you Sri Lanka and help you explore it like never before, but also give you a chance to help her in her greatest hour of need. But it's not all doom and gloom. We've traveled around this island long enough to know that Sri Lanka still has so much to offer to the world, and we plan on showing you just that. So hit that subscribe button, share this video, and get ready because this is Sri Lanka.